Well, the first thing would be is to get a pesty Westie who always wants to be at the table and be in the center of all the gatherings. But my real advice would be to start simple, start a collection, and don't feel like you have to be a florist and a caterer and do all the things yourself. I encourage people to enjoy their entertaining if they're getting started, rather than being stressed by all the different things that they think they should do. As you can see, Pesty Westie is not a bit stressed or nervous of his entertaining events.